Hi, I'm here today to show you my new Folkmanis red dragon puppet. It's one of the older ones that aren't being made anymore, and I thought it was pretty cool. I collect and sell puppets, so here's one that I've wanted for a while. He has nice hard plastic kind of rubber teeth. He's got a movable tongue, and he's got rings in the eyes. He is really worn, and I'm planning on painting the gold back onto his eyes. If you can see this, it's very worn, and his horns are very worn as well. So I'm gonna fix him up because I'm an artist too, so that's nice. Anyways, here is his beard, and he's actually a really big puppet. I don't know if you can see this. His eyes pop out or in. There's little rings inside. And he has a ruffle on his back, and here's his tail. So this is actually how big this puppet is. Well, I don't know how he should talk. But yeah, he's pretty cool, right? Folkmanis, the best puppets ever. Well, the best consumer, affordable puppets ever. The other puppets that are the best are Axtell, Steve Axtell, and of course, Henson was a god among men. So this video is dedicated to my awesome daughter, Heather Rounds. Mwah. Bye, Heather!